I have right here the UM01 microphone from NEEWER. This microphone is interesting because it has built-in AI noise cancelling, and it also features RGB lights and can be controlled using a mobile app. So let's unbox it and test it out. Here we have the microphone, some warnings, and the manual. Here are QR codes for the app for iOS, Android, and PC. A USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter, and that's everything in the box. On the front, we have two knobs. One is for the microphone volume, and the second one is for the output volume, because we can connect headphones directly to this microphone to monitor without any delay. Here's the USB-C port to connect it to the computer. On the bottom we have a button for the light. And on top we have the mute and AI noise cancelling button. Let's connect the cable. Now I'm switching the audio source to this microphone. You can hear that this is the source. This one is disconnected right now. Here you can see the RGB lights are shining. When I press it once, it switches to a solid color. Another mode. Another mode. And I can switch between them. And then if I keep holding on to it, you can go ahead and completely turn off the lights. Here is the volume knob. Now I am lowering it. This is the lowest setting. And now I'm going back up. This is the highest setting. And if I give it a quick tap right on the top, it mutes and glows a steady red to let you know it's muted. And when I press and hold it down for at least 3 seconds, it should enable the built-in noise cancelling mode. First, without noise cancelling active, let's try typing on the keyboard right next to it to see how it sounds. This is exactly how it sounds. Let's also turn on this electric fan right next to it. And now it's definitely creating a bit of noticeable background noise. Let's set it to high. Now it's on the highest setting. Now let's simply activate the noise cancelling mode by pressing the button on top for 3 seconds. And now it is actively cancelling out the background noise. So let's give it another try to hear the difference by pressing the keys of the keyboard located right next to the microphone. And for a simple comparison, let's turn on this fan on the lowest speed setting first like before, and then switch it to the highest speed setting. How does it sound? You can hear it. And now let's try turning off this mode while pressing the buttons on the keyboard. So let's hold this button down for about 3 full seconds, and you should definitely be able to hear the difference. You can easily turn it on and off. Now, let's go ahead and download the mobile app and explore exactly which settings we can control through it. The QR code is in the instructions. The app is installed. Let's press Add your device. Here we have a lot of devices to choose from. I have the UM01. Now I have to connect the microphone to the smartphone. If I wanted to control it from the PC, I could install the app on the PC. The device is connected. Right here in this menu, I can turn the AI-powered denoising feature on and off simply by toggling this switch. I can control the microphone volume. I can turn on the monitor. Here we have settings like sample rate, low cut, input channel, bit depth, noise reduction, vocal boost, audio input source, and file format. We can check the audio list and we can record the audio directly from the mobile app. So we can just connect this microphone to the smartphone and record the audio on the smartphone. You don't have to connect it to the PC, and you have full control over the microphone from the official app. And the app is also available for the PC, so not only for the smartphone. So an interesting microphone with AI denoise, useful thing. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.